Okay, children. Now today we are writing the alphabet N. For this, what we have to do is, do you have your pencil in your hand first? Okay. Now let's start. You start from the middle of the second and the third line in a slanting way. Go up, touch the second line, come down in a straight line to the third line, go up, hop, and come down again, and a small kick in the right. Now I will show you again how to write N. We start from the middle of the second and third line in a slanting way. We go up to the second line, come down straight to the third line, go up again, hop, and come down again to the third line, and a small kick in the right. Now did you understand? N is actually very easy. Okay? Okay, children. Now we will start some picture reading with the alphabet N. Now what is the sound of N? N says N, 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 nail, N, night, N, numbers, N, newspaper, N, needle, N, nest, N, nursery, N, nurse. Okay? So now you practice again.